Hey friends, in this video we'll study about operating costing. It's a really easy topic. First we'll start with the meaning of operating cost. Operating costs are the expenses which are associated with the maintenance and the administration of a business on a day-to-day basis. This method of costing is generally made use of by transport companies, your gas and water work departments, then your electricity supply companies, canteens, hospitals, schools, etc. For preparing cost sheet under operating cost, costs are usually accumulated for a specific period, that is for a month, for a quarter or a year. The cost should be classified under two heads, that is your fixed cost or standing charges. Another one is your variable cost or your running charges, for example your fuel, driver wages, depreciation, oil, etc. Now standing charges, these charges means a fixed amount of money that you pay for being provided with a service. It tend to remain the same regardless of any change in the service. And your variable charges are those charges which changes with the changes in the service provided. It is not fixed like your standing charges. Under operating costing, the per unit cost of service is calculated after dividing total cost by total units. Now here you can see the format. This is the format. In this you can write total cost as per your as per year or per month. It depends on you whether you want to calculate per year or per month. Now then after you will start with the working note, which is here. Working note is here. First you will write the value of vehicle, whatever will be the value of vehicle, then estimated life. What is estimated life? It is the period of time that the vehicle will be in service or used to earn revenues. It means the average life expectancy, which would be your anything 8 years or 1,50,000 kilometer or anything. Next will be your estimated annual kilometers. In this, we'll calculate the number of kilometer vehicle was in service for 1 year. This estimated annual kilometers is for 1 year, and if you are calculating your total cost for per month, then you will estimate this kilometer in estimated monthly kilometers. Now you will start with this format: operating cost sheet of a vehicle, estimated annual kilometers, total cost, that is dependent on you that you want it per year or per month. Then you will find cost per kilometers. We'll start with standing charges. Standing charges includes your license fees, insurance premium, road tax. These do not changes with the change in the amount of service or production or anything. These will be fixed. Garage rent, driver's wages, salaries and wages of other staff. Now what you'll do, you will total the standing charges and you will write it here. And then to find your cost per kilometer, what you will do is you will divide total standing charges with your estimated annual kilometers. To find cost per kilometer, you have to divide total standing charges by estimated annual kilometers, and you will get the value which you'll write here. Then you will write running charges, which includes your repairs and maintenance, cost of fuel, that is your diesel, petrol, etc. Then your lubricant, grease and oil. Then comes your cost of tires, tubes and other spare parts, and your depreciation. Like you did in the standing charges, you have to add all these expenses and you'll get the total running charges which you'll write here. And to get the cost per kilometer, you will do is your total cost of running charges, this one, divided by estimated annual kilometers, and you will get the value which you'll write here. Total running charges divided by estimated annual kilometers, and it will be written here. After that, you'll write total charges A plus B, that means total standing charges, and total running charges you'll write here, and cost per kilometer you'll add this one, and you'll get this here. Sorry. This is the question on operating costing. We are given the value of the vehicle, that is 15,000. Road license fee per year, it is given per year, that means we'll find total cost per year. So road license fee, which is your standing charges, it will be your 500. Then insurance charges per year, 100 rupees, again your standing charges. garage rent per year 600 standing charges. Then driver's wages per month, it is given per month, it is a standing charge and it will be multiplied by 12 because we are finding per year. So 200 multiplied 12, that is your 2400 will be your driver's wages. Then comes here cost of the petrol per liter, that means the cost of 1 liter of petrol is 3.60. Kilometers per liter 8, that means in 1 liter the vehicle moves your 8 kilometers. For 1 liter the charges are 3.60 and for 8 kilometers the petrol used is 1 liter. So for 1 kilometer it will be 3.60 divided by 8. Then your proportionate changes for tire and maintenance, it will be 0.20. Estimated life, which you'll write in your working note. Then estimated annual kilometers 6000 kilometer, and you have to ignore the interest on capital. Now here's the solution of this answer, that question, that is operating cost sheet of a vehicle, estimated annual kilometerage, that is your 6000 kilometers. Now you'll start with the standing charges, your road license fee, insurance charges, garage rent, driver's wages 200 multiplied 12. Then you will add this and you'll get total standing charges. And to get per kilometer charges, what you need to do is you need to divide total standing charges with your estimated annual kilometers and you will get per kilometer standing charges. Then you'll write all the variable charges. Number one is your depreciation. How will you calculate that? First you will write your value of the vehicle divided by the estimated life. The depreciation value will be your 0.10. Then I don't know, it's I think 0. Yes, it is 10. Then your petrol charges 3.60 divided by 8, you'll get 0.45. Tire and maintenance 0.20, and this way you will calculate your cost per kilometer. Thank you.